Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a lookalike audience in Google Ads. All you need to do is once you're logged in, come in the left hand panel, click on Tools, and then click on Shared Library. From here you can click on Audience Manager. You'll see the audience you have. And then you can go ahead and create a lookalike using that. But if you don't have an audience, you can click here to set up an audience source. Okay, as you can see, we don't have any audiences, so let's go ahead and create an audience. So we can click here on my data segments. You can see you can create one based on website visitors, app users, you can see YouTube users, customer list, you can Google Analytics, or you can use a custom combination. And once you select that, you can go ahead and add a data source to create your lookalike audience. So I'll go ahead and connect a new data source. You can also upload a file manually or skip this step and set one up later. I'll connect one. And in this case, you can go ahead and choose, for example, Shopify. You can do direct connection and just log in with your account. And once you're done with that, okay, once you're done with all your settings, just wait a little bit and then there you go. We've successfully created a new customer list. And that is your lookalike audience. You click on done. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.